Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer, and I'm Jenny, your Crazy Country Couponer, and I've got you some more deals, and maybe some steals, maybe a glitch, maybe some free stuff, and you want to know, so come on in. And on your way, please like and share the video, and leave me a comment and an emoji. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, or you just stopping by, well, you do the same. Show me a little bit of love, leave me a comment and an emoji, and subscribe, because I can use all the crazy friends I can get. So look below and hit that subscription button and that notification bell, and that way you will never miss our deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information that we have here almost every day. All right, everybody, what kind of awesome information do I have today? Well, I've got some food deals because it is food time. Remember, we do that once a week now. We're going to talk about a food deal. We've got a new $2 off to Quaker, Captain Crunch, and Pearl Milling Company, and Life breakfast items. Now, from the looks of this, you can combine these, but we have a couple of different ways that you can use this. Now, you've got the Captain Crunch on sale, 2 for $6. With that $2 off, it's going to be 2 for $4. Awesome deal. Next up, we've got the Quaker Instant Oatmeal. It's attaching to that. These are $3.35 a piece. So they're going to be $6.70 for two. $2 off, it's going to be $4.70 for that. Or you could get one of the oatmeals, and you can get a Pearl Milling Company syrup, or AKA Aunt Jemima syrup, with that for $3.50. Now, if you do the Quaker instant oatmeal and the syrup, you're at $6.85. $2 off is $4.85. So there are several different ways that you can do this deal, and all of them are good. Now, this says 2 Pearl Milling products, but it doesn't list the pancake mix on here as that it's attaching to. That's why I don't have one with a pancake mix deal. So you know. Now, what do we want to do with that $2 that we just saved? Well, let's swing it over and get some more food with it. So we're going to pick up 3 of these Quaker Instant Oatmeal Cups. They are $1.25 a piece. So 3 is $3.75, and you're going to be getting $1 off. So 3 of them for $2.75. And the next thing we're going to add is this Shamrock Milk. Now, if you're just one person, you don't need a whole lot of milk, this is a good thing for you. If you're just need some milk for cooking, again, a good deal. Or if you want to get some flavored milk for a treat for you or your kids. So all these are good deals. This is a good filler, so we're going to use it. We're going to pick up one of these for $1.75. You got $1 off. Excuse me, you got 75 cents off. It's going to make it $1. Now, this is our next item we're going to add to our food list, and that's going to be 2 of the Rice-A-Roni items. This is great emergency food. Okay, even if you don't eat it on a regular basis, it's great emergency food. So you're going to pick up 2 of those, or $1.50 a piece, or $3, and we're getting $1 off. Pure leaf tea for $3.25. You're going to save $3 on 2. So basically, this is going to be buy one, get one free on the pure leaf 64 fluid ounce teas. So we're going to pick up 2 of those. Okay, next we're going to add to our transaction a glitch. This is a digital glitch, so we don't need a disclaimer. You just go in and get the product. Now, this 50-cent coupon is attaching to the 1 roll of Bounty Essential off the dollar aisle. Um, and we also have the glitching Charmin coupon, and it's also attaching to the dollar roll of Charmin on the dollar aisle. Now, these are going to make that 50 cents for each one of those items. Now, we also have some other glitches, but the out-of-pocket on those are a little bit different. We do have the glitching Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrush. It's absolutely free. And we have this $3.25 Mr. Clean. That's regularly $5.50, okay? With a $2 off, leaving you pay $1.25. Now, if you wanted to replace those dollar items with this one item, and that's if you can't find these other two items. So that would be just a good deal if you cannot find the Bounty or the Charmin. Next, we're going to pick up this item. 32 fish sticks for $3.95. Kids love fish sticks. Some ketchup, some fish sticks, some french fries, and they are in La La Land. Okay? So, fish sticks for $3.95, and you got $1 off, making those $2.95 for 32 fish sticks. Okay, this is the breakdown for this. We're going to pick up the 2 Captain Crunches for $6, the 3 Quaker Oat Cups, the Shamrock Milk, the 2 Rice-A-Ronis, the 2 Pure Leaves, the Bounty Dollar Paper Towels, the Charmin Dollar Toilet Paper, and the Fisher Boy Fish Sticks. You're at $26.95. You got $14.75 in coupons, and that's an out-of-pocket of $12.20 for 13 items, and a winner chicken dinner. Everything under $1. So, you can do this deal on Saturday with your 5 off 25. Or you can take this deal apart if you need it during the week. Mix or match things as needed. So, blessings. And we'll talk again real soon, because I got more deals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information that I want to share with you.